In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop saving browsing history on Google Chrome. This simple guide will walk you through the steps to protect your privacy and ensure your browsing activity isn't recorded in your history. Let's dive in and get started on making your online experience a little more private. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Once you've launched the browser, you'll want to take a look towards the top right corner of your screen. What you're looking for is a set of 3 vertical dots, which is your Chrome menu button. When you click these dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, you'll be selecting Settings. This is where you'll find all the configurations related to your browsing experience. Once you've clicked Settings, you'll be brought to a new tab filled with options, but don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. Here, you'll see a section titled Privacy and Security. This area is crucial for maintaining your online privacy and is where we'll focus our attention next. Go ahead and click on Privacy and Security. As the name suggests, this is where you can control who sees what when you're browsing. Within Privacy and Security, you'll find an option named Site Settings. Clicking on this will lead you to another section, and here is where you can control what information websites can use and what content they can show you. Scrolling through the Site Settings, you'll look for Cookies and Site Data. This option plays a significant role in storing your browsing history. By default, Chrome saves cookies and site data to make your future browsing sessions more seamless. However, if you want to stop saving your browsing history, you're going to manage these settings. Click on Cookies and Site Data, and this is where you can make changes. Look for an option that says, Keep local data only until you quit your browser. By enabling this setting, Chrome will delete your cookies and site data as soon as you close any browsing session. This doesn't stop saving history entirely, but it ensures that each session starts fresh, which effectively minimizes tracking. Additionally, you have the option to disable history tracking completely by entering incognito mode each time you browse. This can be accessed anytime by clicking on the 3 vertical dots again and selecting New Incognito Window. In incognito mode, Chrome does not save your history, cookies, or site data from your session. Before we wrap up, it is essential to remember that while these steps enhance your privacy on your personal browser, they do not control tracking at the network level or on different devices. It's always good practice to be mindful of privacy settings across all platforms you use. And that's it. You've now learned how to stop saving browsing history on Google Chrome. Make sure to check back regularly as these steps can occasionally update with new versions of Chrome. Thanks for watching and happy private browsing.